claw hammer lunge. It's going to be a bit tricky to show you this. The Wing Chun way that I would do it is, if someone's coming at me, say they're coming at me with a punch, if I go in, I would meet them. It's called Monsail, asking hand. So imagine their fist is getting blocked. Now, I replace the claw that Tony and the gang are doing with something called a lopsail, which is a grabbing hand and a simultaneous. Everything in Wing Chun is always you're trying to do simultaneous. So, but I'm going to do it side to side, because if I come at you, when I go away, you won't see it. Monsail lock. Monsail.
Look them right on their feet. Nice. Pull down, please. Pull down. Get the eyes. Pull them out. Good. I both got you.
Asking hand, lopsail punch. Asking hand, lopsail punch.
Pull down, brother. Pull down. Pull. That's what I want. Ready? Nice. Are you ready? Come to the front. Let's go.
That's it.